Hey guys, Taylor here, the Fit Expat, back with another video. Did you know that at the end of 2019, the Guangzhou metro system just opened their newest subway line? That's line 21. And it goes all the way from Yuancun station, which is near the city center of Guangzhou, all the way out to Zhongshan Square, which is, Zhengcheng is like a city, another city near Donguan. So it's outside of Guangzhou, it's like another city. I've never been there before. I've been on line 21 a few times, but I've never been all the way out to the end. So today we're going to show you guys the newest addition to the Guangzhou subway system, and we're going to go all the way out to Zhongshan Square, see what they have there. Going to get some ice cold beers, of course. Probably not some delicious food because I'm in the middle of a vegan challenge, unfortunately, but we'll see. If they got some vegetarian options, we might get something, but we're going to head out there and check it out. Before we do that, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for some more amazing videos on life in China, food videos, fitness videos, and beer videos that are coming your way. All right, guys? Let's get going here. Alright, so I made it to Zhongshan Square station, the very end of line 21. It took about an hour and 20 minutes from my front door. About an hour or so total on the metro. Anyway, I have no idea where I'm going. I looked at the map. I'm going to go out of exit C. It looks like there's a mall there. I mean, according to the map, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to go out and just walk around, explore the area for a bit. Hopefully find some kind of vegetarian food for today so I can honor my vegan challenge that I'm in the middle of, and definitely want to find some ice cold beer as well. Let's go. Alright, so this came out of exit C. Looks like there is a mall here. I think it's open. Yeah, it should be open. There's girls going in there. Alright. Not too much here. Well, it doesn't seem like it. There's some mountains over there. And some housing development over there. Some places over there. Oh, this mall is pretty big. They got an IMAX in there. Alright, well, I'm gonna go in the mall, check it out, get out of this rain. Oh, actually, no. There's a shop over there. Let's go get an ice cold beer. It's pretty cool. Looks like there's a bunch of restaurants here, some places. Hopefully I can find some kind of vegetarian food or something. Anyway, let's get in this shop, get a beer. Ooh. Down here. Let's see. Oh, let's see what they got here. I think I want to go for the Heineken. There it is. I got a nice cold Heineken here. Alright, now, looks like a lot of these places are closed. Well, I'm not sure what they are. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the mall first. Let's get in the mall and see what's in there. And then we'll walk around there later. Let's go check it out. Okay, actually, there's a big supermarket here in this mall, Vanguard. I'm going to check for some dog food because I forgot to pick up dog food the other day when I was at the supermarket. I was at the market this morning and didn't have any. So, since I'm here, might as well pick up a bag of dog food for my dog. So, check out the supermarket. Maybe we'll grab another beer here too. I think I saw cold beers. Let's go. Chinese supermarket. I think I'll probably make a separate video on Chinese supermarket another time. So I'm outside. The rain has stopped, thank goodness. And I'm just walking around. It looks like there's quite a few restaurants here. Not 100% sure about the vegetarian options. I really hate this. This vegan challenge has been one of the most difficult things I've ever done, actually. Just got a few more days to make it through. And then I'll be back to eating meat again. But for the meantime, I have to try to honor this vegan challenge. It's quite difficult, actually. Anyway, we'll see what they got here. I found this Starbucks. I got a crispy Omni pork teriyaki wrap. So that's like the fake pork meat, or plant-based pork meat, I should say. Teriyaki wrap. I haven't tried this one from Starbucks yet. There's a little bit of egg on it. I took the egg off just to honor the vegan diet challenge. Unfortunately, I love eggs. I miss eggs. Anyway, let's give it a try. Check that out. They're nice and hot. It smells amazing, actually. Wow. It's quite good. A lot of lettuce on there. Not bad. Not bad for a plant-based wrap. But yeah, I sure do miss meat. And I can't wait to have it again in a few days from now. So we get to the other side. here. I just walk right across. It's down there. Huh. Interesting. I'm gonna go check out the square and then get back on the metro, get out of here. Alright, well, this is Zhongshan Square, or at least the entrance of it. Not too exciting, but I'm gonna go check it out. It basically looks like a big park, basically. They got all these big red flags. From far away, I thought they were the Chinese flag, but no, they're just blank red flags. I don't know, what does that mean? Anyway. There's the mall that I was at. It was across the street there. And there's the entrance to the metro station. So we'll be heading there after this. There's nothing there. It's just a big park with open space. Anyway, I'm not going to go down there. I think I'm going to head back towards the metro station. But okay, you can see this is Zhengcheng. It's probably, you know, it seems like a nice area. It's a newer area, newly developed area. We got a nice shopping mall, a lot of new housing developments. I mean, it's not the most exciting area, of course, but I just wanted to show you guys where the new Line 21 on the Guangzhou Metro takes you, and it takes you all the way to Zhengcheng. So, yeah, I'm at the very end of Line 21. I think that is it for me here. I'm gonna head back to Guangzhou now. Got a seat, so, and it's an express train, so it shouldn't take as long as it took to get out here. Actually, it should take about half the time because it's stopping only at 6 stops. No, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 stops as opposed to 22 like on the way here. So the express train is much better. So they have that option if you're coming from Yuancun or to Yuancun. There is an express train just on the way here. I didn't get on the express train. I just got on the regular one. So the express train would be a lot faster. Alright guys, back home. Just got back from Zengcheng, and nice little day trip today. It was pretty cool to go all the way out to at the end of line 21 and check out what was there. Zhengcheng seems like a nice area. Didn't really have time to explore a lot of the area, just stayed around the metro station as you could see. But today's the main point was just to show you guys line 21, which is the new subway line on the Guangzhou metro system that just opened up at the end of 2019. It's the newest one. They're in the process. The Guangzhou metro, they have just expanded so much since I moved here in 2014. It's ridiculous. And they're building more lines that are going to be opening up within the next year, 2 years as well. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger. The Guangzhou metro system is really, really good. All right, guys, that's it for the video today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for some more amazing food videos, fitness videos, and beer videos, as well as videos on life in China. All right, guys, till next time, this is Taylor, the Fit Expat. Have a great day.